Hey, I'm Andre. This is my Waco. I got it right. I got some coffee. I got some insulin. I got a saw, and the weather is crap outside. So basically what you're about to see during this video is me extracting two of these pieces. These suckers were added by the previous owner, and they're in there to do a little bit of structural reinforcement. He was running a gas motor, I'm running electric, and what I discovered after I dropped in the battery bay was I could put the battery in, but I couldn't get my hands in there to do the straps. So I'm going to keep fiddling away on the airplane, gonna fix up a few things, add a couple extra pieces of reinforcement, and go from there. So enjoy the video. Wow, that's a lot more work than you think, but not bad. So that first part's out, and that firewall is pretty well not attached to anything, so that's going to require a little glue work, but not too bad. I will resecure that. I may run some extra ribs along there, but there's the main support piece which has the upright and the landing gear structure. But yeah, let's clip this piece off and be done with this problem. Looking inside the airplane now, you can see these two pieces have come out. Here's one of the other parts. And the idea is going to be to get in there, and along this wall here is I will glue in, I probably won't do this today now, but I'll glue in some reinforcements similar to the square stock here, the wooden dowels. And we'll put that along there. That'll give that reinforcement. I will clean up these two pieces here. They're a little loose. With the 6S5000, I should be able to just very handily drop this stuff in, and now plenty of room to access the straps and everything. Like I said, I'll run some runners along this stop here, this part here, and there we go. So, yay! Hooray! Modification done. So there you go. There's the update on the Waco. As you saw in the video, I've got some structural reinforcement stuff to finish off. Been talking to Joshua Orchard on this one. Thanks, Joshua. And got some ideas on how to keep the structure integrity in there, but at least now I can get into the battery bay. And hey, shout out to Great Hobbies, who's also been super useful in this project. They helped me get everything I needed to finish the airplane. My buddy Jeremy, who's got some other parts being built up, motor mount and everything. If that doesn't work out, I'll figure something else out from some of the various suppliers. So there we go. This is one of these projects that's really nice to have this time, given everything that we're going through right now in the world. So I hope everybody else has a project they can work on and dive into. I'm really excited. Hopefully we get to fly it again. Thank you for all the subscribers. Thank you for all the comments. I will try and fly when I can. I'm avoiding groups. Obviously, being a type 1 diabetic, they keep telling me to avoid all kinds of stuff. So that's just the reality. If I can get out after work, do a quick flight on a battery pack or something really simple. If not, the RC trucks in the backyard have been super. So hey, stay tuned. We're gonna do a podcast later on this week with Steve from Australia, because he's in the same boat, all locked down and everything. Again, thank you to all the subscribers. Thank you to all the comments. Thank you everybody who's been hanging out and following the journey. Can't wait to keep working on this airplane. I'm Andre. This is the Waco. Have a good weekend. Thanks.